UI guide. This is order taking screen. These two up and down buttons are for categories. These two up and down buttons are for items. If you press recall an invoice, you can see all completed orders, and you can check each order's details. If you want to reset a order, click Reset button. To remove a selected item, click on Remove Selected. To change the price of an selected item, click on Price Change. A tab will appear. In the tab you can change the item's price. To change the quantity of an selected item, click on Quantity Change. A tab will appear. In the tab you can change the quantity of selected item. To finish orders, you can press Pay or Credit Card button. It depends on customer's payment type. This is how you use buttons in POSPointe. Thank you for watching.